Introducing Alvesco, the inhaler that is revolutionizing asthma treatment. With its advanced technology and targeted approach, Alvesco is changing the game for asthma sufferers worldwide. Designed to provide effective and long-lasting relief, Alvesco is a breakthrough in asthma management. Its unique formulation delivers medication directly to the site of inflammation in the lungs, reducing symptoms and improving overall lung function. Understanding asthma and its treatment options. Asthma is a chronic respiratory condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways, leading to symptoms such as wheezing, coughing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. While there is no cure for asthma, there are several treatment options available to manage the condition and reduce symptoms. Traditional asthma inhalers, also known as metered dose inhalers, MDIs, have been the standard treatment for asthma for many years. These inhalers work by delivering medication in the form of a mist or spray, which is then inhaled into the lungs. However, one of the limitations of MDIs is that the medication often does not reach the deeper parts of the airways, where inflammation occurs. This can result in inadequate symptom control and the need for higher doses of medication. The limitations of traditional asthma inhalers. Traditional asthma inhalers have several limitations that can impact their effectiveness in managing asthma symptoms. One of the main issues is the inability to deliver medication directly to the site of inflammation in the lungs. As a result, higher doses of medication are often required to achieve the desired effect. This can lead to an increased risk of side effects, such as oral thrush or hoarseness, especially when using high doses of inhaled corticosteroids. Another limitation of traditional inhalers is the difficulty in coordinating the inhalation process with the release of medication. Many people struggle with the correct technique of using MDIs, leading to inconsistent dosing and reduced effectiveness. Additionally, the propellants used in MDIs can be harmful to the environment, contributing to air pollution. How Alvesco inhaler works. Alvesco inhaler, on the other hand, addresses these limitations by utilizing an innovative technology that delivers medication directly to the site of inflammation in the lungs. The active ingredient in Alvesco is ciclesonide, a corticosteroid that reduces inflammation and helps to prevent asthma symptoms. The key difference between Alvesco and traditional inhalers lies in its unique formulation. Alvesco is formulated as a fine aerosol, which allows it to penetrate deep into the airways where inflammation occurs. This targeted approach ensures that the medication reaches the root cause of asthma symptoms, providing effective relief and improving lung function. Key benefits of using Alvesco inhaler. Using Alvesco inhaler offers several key benefits for asthma patients. Firstly, the targeted delivery system allows for lower doses of medication while maintaining maximum effectiveness. This means that patients can achieve better control of their symptoms with fewer side effects. The reduced risk of side effects is particularly important for long-term use, as it minimizes the potential impact on the patient's overall health. Secondly, Alvesco has been shown to improve lung function in asthma patients. Clinical studies have demonstrated that Alvesco inhaler can significantly increase lung function and reduce the frequency and severity of asthma attacks. This improvement in lung function translates into better overall respiratory health and a better quality of life for asthma sufferers. Thirdly, Alvesco inhaler has been shown to improve patient compliance with asthma treatment. The precise delivery system and ease of use make it more convenient for patients to adhere to their medication regimen. This is crucial for long-term asthma management, as consistent use of medication is essential for controlling symptoms and preventing exacerbations. Clinical studies and patient testimonials. Clinical studies have consistently shown the effectiveness of Alvesco inhaler in managing asthma symptoms. In a randomized controlled trial involving over 1,200 patients with persistent asthma, Alvesco inhaler was found to be superior to placebo in improving lung function and reducing asthma exacerbations. These results were supported by several other studies, further confirming the efficacy of Alvesco in asthma management. Patient testimonials also provide valuable insights into the impact of Alvesco inhaler on their lives. Many patients have reported significant improvements in their asthma symptoms, with reduced wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. They have also experienced fewer asthma attacks and a reduced need for rescue medication. These positive outcomes highlight the potential of Alvesco to transform the lives of asthma sufferers. Alvesco versus other asthma inhalers. When comparing Alvesco with other asthma inhalers, it is important to consider its unique features and benefits. Unlike traditional inhalers, Alvesco's targeted delivery system ensures that the medication reaches the site of inflammation, providing better symptom control. This precise delivery allows for lower doses of medication, reducing the risk of side effects. In contrast, other inhalers may deliver medication to the upper airways, where it may have limited effectiveness in reducing inflammation. This can result in inadequate symptom control and the need for higher doses of medication. Additionally, the convenience and ease of use of Alvesco inhaler make it a preferred choice for many patients. It is important to note that the choice of inhaler depends on individual patient needs and preferences, as well as the recommendation of a healthcare professional. Consulting with a healthcare provider is essential to determine the most suitable treatment option for each patient's specific asthma condition. Tips for using Alvesco inhaler effectively. To ensure optimal effectiveness, it is important to use Alvesco inhaler correctly. Here are some tips for using Alvesco inhaler effectively. Read the instructions carefully. Familiarize yourself with the instructions provided with the inhaler. Pay attention to the correct technique for inhalation and the recommended dosage. Rinse your mouth after each use. To minimize the risk of side effects such as oral thrush, it is recommended to rinse your mouth with water after using the Alvesco inhaler. Use a spacer device if recommended. A spacer device can help improve the delivery of medication to the lungs, especially for children or those with difficulty coordinating inhalation. Keep track of your symptoms. Monitor your asthma symptoms and keep a record of any changes or improvements. This can help you and your healthcare provider determine the effectiveness of the treatment. Follow up with your healthcare provider. Regular follow-up visits with your healthcare provider are essential to assess your asthma control and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Availability and pricing of Alvesco inhaler. Alvesco inhaler is available by prescription and can be obtained from pharmacies or through online platforms. The availability and pricing may vary depending on your location and healthcare system. It is recommended to consult with your healthcare provider or pharmacist to obtain accurate information on the availability and pricing of Alvesco inhaler in your area. Conclusion: the future of asthma treatment with Alvesco inhaler. In conclusion, Alvesco inhaler represents a significant advancement in asthma treatment. Its targeted delivery system and unique formulation provide effective relief and improve lung function in asthma patients. With lower doses of medication and minimized side effects, Alvesco offers a promising solution for better asthma control and a better quality of life. If you are an asthma sufferer looking for improved symptom control and better overall lung function, consider joining the inhaler revolution with Alvesco. Talk to your healthcare provider today about whether Alvesco inhaler is the right choice for you. Take control of your asthma and experience the difference that targeted treatment can make. Breathe easier with confidence and embrace a future of better asthma management with Alvesco inhaler. Thanks for watching.